So Taylor and I are in Albuquerque and we're waiting for the train. We're going to Santa Fe, gonna go exploring some galleries, and yeah, this is the train station. We are almost in the station that we're supposed to be in Santa Fe. We're already in Santa Fe, but we're not quite there yet. How are you enjoying New Mexico so far?
It's beautiful.
Isn't it?
Can we stay?
Yeah, right?
Do we have to go back to Florida?
Unfortunately, we have a lease.
That really sucks. We made bad life choices.
Bad life choices. I love New Mexico. We made it to Santa Fe and we're on Canyon Road, which is like just got tons and tons of galleries, so that's what we're exploring right now. Exploring? What? Exploring.
We're exploiting them.
Exploiting the galleries, okay. Yeah, this is like a really interesting windmill type art. I think it's really cool.
It's freaking awesome.
Also, you guys, I'm typically the weirdo that annoys everybody by stopping in the middle of the road to dig through flowers to find seed pods, and I never find seed pods. Like, for some reason, all the flowers I checked don't have any seed pods developed. Well, I finally found one with seed pods. Like, how many times have I annoyed you with that?
Oh my gosh, she digs every bush we can find.
Every bush.
Every single time I gotta find the seed pods.
I finally found seed pods. I love going to art galleries and looking at paintings. It's just so inspiring to me. Like, these are inspired by New Mexico landscapes. They're so beautiful. I just love all of them. I could probably sniff them.
My glass in it wouldn't smell the same.
So we're eating lunch at the tea house, and I got a veggie burger. Look at how beautiful that is. It is beautiful. Your food looks beautiful too. It's so wonderful. I didn't even think it would come with a salad. Normally veggie burgers come with like fries or something. I'm really happy with the salad. But yeah.
They make good life choices for you.
Tea house in Santa Fe. Thanks for having veggie options. Appreciate it. Look, there's a rainstorm out there.